Hi there, Tom Toszewski here. Welcome to the page. Thank you for being here. And today I'm going to talk about Facebook. Again, it's an introduction. It's just the overview, short overview, but all the pieces you need to have in place in order to start running Facebook ads. So let's go. Let's draw something. Okay, so as usual, we of course need a website. This is your ecom website. With the products and checkout and all this beautiful stuff. As a standard, we need Google Tag Manager. That's one of my favorite tools. Everybody needs Google Tag Manager. What it does is allowing you to install variety of pieces into your website without actually going into the code of the website. For example, you need Google Analytics. Uh, and you need the Google Analytics 4. I just want to remind you that Universal Analytics is going away as per probably mid-year next year. So you're gonna lose Google Analytics Universal, and you're gonna use all the data from. So you have to start using Google Analytics 4, and you're just doing the tag on a Google Tag Manager. And since Google Tag Manager is connected to your website, analytics gonna be automatically connected to your website. The same for even Facebook. If you want to connect the Facebook application uh, into your website, one of the easiest thing to do is to connect through the Google Tag Manager. So it's a very universal Google Tag Manager. So yeah, I strongly recommend the Google Tag Manager to be a part of your setup, no matter what. Facebook, of course, you need a personal account on Facebook in order to have a Facebook Business Manager, and you need to have a Facebook Business Manager. I cannot stress this enough. I've seen a lot of accounts trying to run the Facebook ads for business from the personal account. Don't do it. Setting up Facebook Business Manager is relatively easy. You just have to fill up some basic info as far as your company, and then everything what you need to be done is run from the level of Facebook Business Manager, adding people, adding pages, managing pixels. Once you got this account, you're gonna create the pixel, and the pixel is gonna go directly to as a connection directly uh, to your web page through the Google Tag Manager. So that's going to be actual the connection. Once you have this established, you can start feeding the product from your e-commerce store uh, to your Facebook Business Manager. There is a plugin, depends on, of course, again, on your setup, if it's Shopify or WooCommerce. Facebook has a recommendation, their own plugin for connecting the WooCommerce to the Facebook. Honestly, it's a little bit sucky. So what I usually do is I'm using separate plugins to create automatic feed from the store to the Facebook, and then make a connection this way. And then once you have a product in a Facebook, again, it's a little bit of the approval process. This is similar to Google Merchant account. Those products have to be approved, and once they are approved, you can build up your Facebook store, and you can build up your Instagram store. And then once you have those in place and the feed is working, you can start showing your catalog ads, your automatic catalog ads to people, similar to Google Shopping ads. This is they are very effective. They're very effective to retargeting, for example, if you want to show people who were visiting your store, and they were actually visiting the page product or even add to the cart You can start feeding those ads automatically when they're gonna see exactly the products which they were looking at. So this is a very effective. So that's what it is actually. That's the whole setup. You need a store. You need, of course, as analytics. You need Google Analytics. You need your Facebook. You need your Facebook private account. You need your Facebook Business Manager. You need to create the feed from the e-commerce stores to the Facebook, and then you're going to be able to create the Facebook store, Instagram store, and all those shopping ads. So that's what it is. That's what you need in order to start running Facebook ads. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.